Let me guess. You're considering joining Macrosoft either here in the US or at one of our offshore development centers, but before you do, you're checking us out a little bit. I congratulate you on your tenacity. Hi, I'm John Coleman, one of the partners here at Macrosoft. I can't speak about the specific job that you may be applying for. I suggest you reach back to the recruiting team or HR or technical team, whomever you've been speaking about the specifics of the actual job. But I can talk about the culture and what it's like to be part of the Macrosoft family. The first topic everybody asks is, what about the name? Well, the reality is Microsoft and Macrosoft both existed back in the early 90s. And Microsoft was focused exclusively on desktop computing, and Macrosoft was focused on software development. So when we named the company, there was no problem whatsoever. Over the past 30 years, we've had nothing but a wonderful relationship with Microsoft. And in fact, the last 15, we've been a gold partner working with them. So it's actually a wonderful relationship for our organization, though we work across all technology platforms. Macrosoft, in fact, has 6 distinct lines of business. And if you go onto the services section of the website, you can read about each of those lines of business to understand more about how you might fit into our operations. But what I really want to talk to you about is what's the culture or the type of person or the right qualities that we look for in somebody that's joining our company. We're really looking at 4 things. First is the ability to think. We don't want somebody that simply does what we tell them to do or what the client tells them to do. We want them to think about what is the end requirement, what is the end user going to be doing with the application, so they can think through that process and understand how people will interact with it and the value they'll get from the software. The next thing we want is people that are passionate about learning. Technology changes every day. There's new languages, new tools, new techniques. We want people that are constantly learning and improving and honing their skills so we can be the best for our clients. And we want a team player, somebody that collectively brings up the value of the whole organization as opposed to a bunch of islands. We like to have fun in what we do. We work hard and we play hard. And tied to that last thing is we want people that can laugh at problems. Every project at some point will run into a roadblock. I don't know what it is, but there's always some roadblock. And when there is a roadblock, there's 2 types of people, those who get angry and point fingers, and those who laugh and say, let's work together to solve this problem. And we want people that laugh and work together. We have a great company. We'd love to have you be part of it, but you want to hear more, not just from me, but from real employees. I suggest 3 things. First is go to Glassdoor, read the reviews, see what people are saying about our organization. Go to Indeed, read those reviews. And then go to LinkedIn and see who of your connections are already at Macrosoft, maybe friends of friends, and connect with people at Macrosoft and ask them, what's it really like to work here? Because we have a wonderful organization that we'd like you to be part of, but we want you to come in with your eyes wide open so you know what a great family you're joining. We look forward to you joining our team. Thank you and have a wonderful day.